Hi, my name is Irfan Nawaz. I am again here for you today. Today I have brought for you a new video based on simple past tense, active and passive. Students, before we start our this video, I would like to let you know that if you have not gone through the tenses before, so you can face some kind of a music. But for the sake of your comfort and convenience, I have written for you on the board on the right side the active and passive structure. Look out the structure properly so that you may be able to understand and act upon accordingly as you are directed. Now you can see on the board this is active and the passive structure. According to simple past tense, these things have been clearly mentioned and explained in my simple past videos earlier, but for the sake of your convenience and comfort, so I have written it for you. So read out. First of all, simple past active. So subject and second form I have written as an active, and the passive I you see was and on third form. These two of the structure should be kept in the mind of the students before they deal out and deal with some kind of sentences. The first main thing you will have to keep in your mind that if you can learn it by heart, these two structures, you can easily do the job. So if you don't learn, because us we have seen most of the students who know on the only active structure, but they do not have any about the passive structure, so they can't convert active into the passive. So that's why I would like to suggest to you to learn if you can by heart, so it will be easy for you to understand and you will abruptly get the point what I want to teach you. So second one is subject did not and first form. This is the simple past I have written as a negative sentences. And where I have used did not, at the same place you will be using was and were. So then not and then third form. But if you see, scroll down the video, you will say the active and passive I have written was word will be used in passive wise. In the active wise we will be using did. The place where you see did has been used at the same place in the passive voice you will be using was and were. Keep in your mind. In this structure, you see that did has been used after the subject. In the passives, you see after the subject we are using was and were. At the same place we are using was and were. In the third line, in the third structure, we see did has been used before the subject. At the same place in the passive voice before the subject we will be using was and were. So did subject first one, this is the question format, short question format. The second question format is WH. These are the two same actually, only WH is added in it. So in this sentence, did and first form let us know that this sentence belongs to simple past tense active voice. At the same place, after the WH before the subject, we have seen did. So we will be using was and were at the same place after the WH before the subject. So these are the four main structures of active and passive a student must keep in their mind if they are doing sincerely in active passive sections. Without it, you can do to some extent at a specific time, but after some period, you will be forgetting it abruptly. So, if you follow these steps, I hope so, you will never be able to forget it, and these things will all be with you whenever you are alive. So, come to the actives and passive sentences as a structure I have written for you. The first sentence is subject and root and second form. So, students, you can see on the board that we have used this is an object, this is the second form, and that is the subject. This is a simple past active according to the structure subject and second form. And passive, a letter has come at the place of subject. This is the subject, there's a helping verb, and then third form past participle, and then by phrase. So this is simple past passive was, and third form let us know that this is simple past passive was. The second sentence belongs to simple past as well, but this is a negative sentence. So she did not write. So she did. After the subject did has been used, at the same place after the subject we have using was. I told you in the active we use did, in the passive we use was and were. So she did not write a letter. After that we always use first form of the verb. This is the rule. Look at the rule, did not, and first form. First form has been used after did not. The same thing is being implied here in the sentence. The second letter was not written. Written is the past participant, that is a by phrase I told you earlier. Third sentence belongs to simple past, but this is short question. How do you know that? Because in this sentence, did is coming before the subject. Look at did is coming before the subject and then first form and then object. So did come before the subject. Same thing is applied here. Was will be used in the earlier because at the beginning. Because did has been used at the beginning. Did she write a letter? Was a letter written as the third form and then by her. The third structure is being applied. As you can see, the sentences are going on at the left side, but structure has already been designed for you at the right side. You can take the help for the sake of understanding. The fourth one is, why did she write a letter? Look at why is the WH. I told you did has been used and then subject before between the subject and the WH did has been used. The same thing is being applied. Why was why, you see why and then why WH and then subject and was is using here because did will be used in the active, in the passive will be using was and was. You see why did she write a letter? So why was a letter written by her? So WH did subject first form, WH was subject and third form. According to the structure, you can easily understand. These are the basically four structure: active and the passive. Why are they four structure? According to the positive, negative, WH and short question. It depends on. Some of the students learn only positive and they forget all other three. When these sentences are given and these sentences are presented to them, they face a lot of musics there and they make a lot of mistakes because they haven't gone through these things before. That's why I have designed for you on the right side. So when you are using these sentences, don't forget it. So learn it. If you learn by heart, you will easily sort out this problem for yourself. Then the last one is, I type the letter. Look at this sentence. Subject, second form, and those letters is object. So those letters were, was and I told you was and were will be used. So was has been used for the singular. He, she, it. He, she, it, singular. I. So we are using was. These are the agreement of subject with the helping. But you, they, we, and plural, we use were. So because these letters are plural, so that's those letters were typed. But here you see a letter was. So was a letter, a letter was one, letter was one. If it had been letters, so we would have written were here. So these are the stories of specific and real story of the simple past, active and passive, and I hope so you might have understood all the structures and all the recognitions and understanding. I hope so. Thank you so much for being with me. Take a great care of yourself. Thank you so much.